Hi guys, I'm Divakar back with another new cool video, and in this video I'm going to give initial impressions on new Oxygen OS 15.0.2.313 update for OnePlus Nord 5. So without wasting any more further time, let's get started. To get this update, go to the settings, then click on System and Update, then Software Update. On top right corner, you'll find three dots. Click on it and choose Beta Program. There you'll find Release Candidate. Click on Update Now. As soon as you do that, you'll get the option to download and install the update. From there, you can download and install the update on your phone. Once it's done, click on Reboot. Now take a back seat and wait for the device to reboot to the new version. Coming to the what's new in this update. Firstly, we get to see July month security patch update. Then there is a mention on camera improvements. It says the camera performance is improved for better user experience and better camera stability while taking photos. But I didn't find any much of difference. I was able to get similar shot, photos look much sharper sometimes. But yeah, nothing to worry. I'll give the detailed camera review in separate video coming next week, so subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon to get notified. Coming to the next part, gaming. Update claims improved gaming experience, but again, I didn't notice any much of a difference. The phone still didn't get the native 120 fps support for BGMI, but you can turn on frame booster to boost 90 fps to 144 fps. Gaming experience remains the same. Sometimes you get to see 146 fps. Dude, this phone has a 144Hz refresh rate panel. Come on. My main concern while gaming is I can't see the time in gaming dashboard while gaming and can't even see the status bar to see the time. I'm not big fan of judging phone's performance by benchmark apps, but in case you want to know, phone scores around 1900 in single core and 4900 in multi-core in Geekbench 6 test. Coming to the battery compartment, phone gets charged 10 to 90 in an hour provided you turned off rapid charging and 10 to 100 with rapid charging enabled, and it delivers 8 to 10 hours of screen on time based on your usage. I easily get a day with a normal usage and 1 hour of gaming in a single charge. So yeah, you just need to charge this phone once in a day. That's enough. All thanks to massive 6800 mAh battery. Overall, it seems just regular security patch update, but let me try this out for one more week and I'll deliver full-fledged OnePlus Nord 5 review after 1 month along with the latest update review. In case you are watching this video for the first time, you are at the right place for your new OnePlus Nord 5, where you get to see latest OnePlus Nord 5 related videos like performance reviews, gaming reviews, feature reviews, latest update reviews and whatnot on this phone for the next 5 years. So subscribe for that. If you like this video, then don't forget to drop a like, share this video with your OnePlus Nord 5 friends, and I'll see you in the next one.